This upcoming video is sponsored by one of our absolute favorite products, Bellway Fiber. What we love about this fiber, well, there's so many things, but one is that there's organic psyllium used. They use natural fruit flavors, real fruit in it, and it's sweetened with monk fruit sweetener, so no artificial ingredients. And it tastes so good. Now, most fiber products I have found in my experience get kind of thick, a little bit hard to get down as you finish up the dosage. Bellway Fiber doesn't thicken as quickly, and it's just so much more pleasant of an experience. And I love the fact that they also have a combination fiber and collagen product, so you can take both of those at once and be done. If you want to learn more or order and get a discount, click the link below.
Hey y'all, Danna here with Lean Healthy Ageless, and I'm going to throw together a favorite, our kale soup. But today I want to do a couple quick and easy busy woman shortcuts, and also let you know that you can make this kale soup with whatever leftover veggies or whatever you have in the fridge. So one of the ways to make it easier today is, one of my favorites is better than bouillon. So I don't have to worry about it. Do I have a box of bouillon in my pantry or whatever? I always have this on hand. I'm going to use my little instant hot water thing so I can actually get that water heated really fast. The bouillon is dissolved, and that saves me probably 5 or 10 minutes. I'm not going to chop garlic today. I'm going to get my pre-minced garlic, so that really makes life easy as well. For my protein source, I found these at my local market. This is Adele's little meatball chicken nuggets, and that's going to be our protein source. I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces, so every little bite of soup will have a little bit of protein in it.